Hello everyone, today we will compare forex.com and IG, two leading online trading platforms in the world. So, forex.com is a well-established platform specializing in forex trading, and it offers a wide range of currency pairs, advanced trading tools, and competitive spreads, making it ideal for both novice and experienced forex traders. And on the other hand, IG is a comprehensive trading platform that provides access to a broad array of markets, including forex, stocks, commodities, and more. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for forex.com and IG, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the features comparison. So when it comes to trading platforms, forex.com is available on web, mobile, desktop, while IG is available on same thing, web, mobile, and desktop. When it comes to instrument available, forex.com has forex pairs, CFDs, commodities, and etc. Same thing with IG again. And same thing when we talk about the leverage and margin. So as you can see, forex.com, it varies by account type. Same thing with IG. And for the last thing, the risk management tool, same thing again. Both platforms has it. So when it comes to features, forex.com and IG is just the same. So now we're done with the features comparison. Let's go directly to the pricing comparison. So when we talk about the spreads, forex.com has a variable spread as low as 0.8 pips or pips, while IG has a trade spreads from zero point 0.6 points on key FX pairs. And when we talk about the commissions, so forex.com has a 5 US dollar commission per 100k US dollar traded. So it is a raw spread account, while IG it varies. So there's no commission maybe for spread bets and CFDs. And when we talk about the minimum deposit, forex.com varies by account type, while IG has no minimum deposit required for opening an account. And when we talk about the account types, so forex.com has standard, MT4, MT5, and raw spread, while IG has spread only, raw pricing, and MetaTrader. So yes, that's it for the forex.com and IG pricing. So now let's go directly to the performance comparison. So when it comes to FX spread, so as I said earlier, forex.com offers as low as 0.8 pips, while IG it offers 0.6 points, and it varies by account type. And when it comes to execution speed, both platform is fast. And when it comes to additional features, so forex.com has technical insights, market buzz, analyst views, integrated calendars, Reuters news, while IG has trading in signals, technical insights, market buzz, analyst views with trading central. So just the same. So when we talk about the regulatory status, forex.com and IG is both regulated, so they're just the same. And same thing with global presence, forex.com and IG is globally known. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer and support. So when we talk about live chat, phone support, and email support, forex.com and IG is just the same. So all of that features, they have it. And when it comes to 24/7 availability, forex.com don't have it, while IG is 24/7 available. So when we talk about the another feature, which is the response speed, forex.com and IG is the same again, fast. And when we talk about quality of answers, forex.com and IG has both great quality of answers. When we talk about educational resources and help centers, forex.com and IG is just the same. So when we talk about customer support, forex.com and IG is almost the same. So no difference at all. So yes, that's it for the customer and support, performance, and pricing and the features comparison. So now let's go to the pros and cons. And let's start discussing the forex.com pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, so forex.com has low forex fees competitive spreads, and low trading costs. And they have a variety of currency pairs, and they offers a wide range of currency pairs for trading. And when we talk about the technical research tool, they provide diverse tools for technical analysis. So that's it for the forex.com pros. And when we talk about the cons, forex.com has limited product portfolio, mainly offers forex and CFDs, and they lack some popular asset classes like real stocks or bonds. They have a high stock of CFD fees. The trading costs for stock CFDs are higher compared to other brokers. And lastly, the desktop platform. Some users find the desktop trading platform of Forex less user friendly. So yes, that's it for the forex.com for pros and cons. So now let's go to the IG pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, IG is well-designed trading platform that is easy to navigate. They have educational tools, offers superb educational resources for traders. They have and when it comes to deposit and withdrawal, they have great options for funding and withdrawing from your account. And yes, that's it for the IG pros. So when we talk about the cons, is similar to forex.com, and they also have high fees for stock CFD trading. They have limited trading products. So in most countries, IG offers only CFD and options trading. And lastly, when it comes to customer and support, there have been reports of slower customer support response times. So yes, that's it for the pros and cons. So now let's go directly to the which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose forex.com. So forex.com is referable for traders looking for competitive forex fees and low trading costs. Perfect for those who prefer a wide range of currency pairs for trading. Perfect for individuals who value technical research tools and advanced charting capabilities. So if you have all of these qualities, forex.com is the platform for you. So now let's talk about the people who should choose IG. So IG is referable for someone or traders who prioritize user-friendly platform that is easy to navigate. For beginners or those who appreciate extensive educational tools and resources for learning, and for investors who want flexible deposit and withdrawal options without a minimum deposit requirement. So if you have all of these qualities, IG is referable for you, and it is a platform for you. So yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both forex.com and IG offers unique features that cater to different types of traders. Forex.com is stand out for its competitive forex fees and extensive currency pairs, making it an excellent choice for dedicated forex traders. On the other hand, IG's user-friendly platform and comprehensive educational resources making it ideal for beginners and those who value a seamless trading experience. So choosing the right platform depends on your specific trading needs, preferences, and goals. So whether you're looking for advanced technical tools or a wide range of educational materials, both platforms have their merits. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.